Assalamualaikum. IDE connectors in only 60 seconds by Sadali Sayed Network and vSphere Administrator. IDE connectors. IDE connectors, also known as parallel ATA or we can say PARTA connectors, are a type of hardware interface used to connect storage components such as hard drives to a motherboard. IDE connectors use a 40-pin ribbon cable to connect to the motherboard and the storage device and can support up to two storage devices on a single cable. IDE connectors are the predecessor to SATA connectors and are still used in some systems. IDE integrated drive electronics is an electronic interface standard that defines the connection between a bus on a computer's motherboard and the computer's disk storage devices.